If you're looking to learn how to knit, then take a moment to check out a new and exciting online beginners course from the School of Stitch Textiles. Knitting is a fantastic and versatile skill. Once you've got the hang of it, you'll be able to make a range of beautiful garments, gifts and keepsakes for yourself and loved ones. Our Learn How to Knit course will take you through all of the basics, like how to cast on using the thumb and finger method, short tail cast on method, and instructions for left-handed knitters. We'll take you through the basics, like stitching and purling. You'll also learn how to do the moss stitch, woven stitch and mattress stitch. Learn essential knitting skills, including picking up or increasing stitches, transferring stitches to a holder, ribbing, block, decreasing stitches and making pom-poms. At the end of the course, you'll be able to use all of your skills to make your very own knitted projects, like this bag purse knitted tablet case. Our dedicated teaching platform allows you to follow along online from the comfort of your own home. Track and check off tasks as you complete them, or repeat and replay lessons when you need to. The School of Stitch Textiles have been delivering distance learning courses for more than 20 years. So learn how to knit from the very best tutors, like Sally Hart, who's an experienced and talented crafter, regularly knitting for Stylecraft. Join her today and get knitting.